Okay, good morning and welcome to the class. So this is where you start with a little recap on multiplication of fractions. We are doing module
5.
fractions, decimals, percentage, part 2, page 4. So we have Durgesh, Gideon, Hajita, Ilman, Sahana, and Aloysius annotating on the screen. And Famida and Sachin will act as checkers. Okay?
Wait. I know this way.
Okay. All right, I can see Ilman has almost completed.
Same, me too.
Oh wait, oh no, I accidentally drew on the wrong side. Oh no, I accidentally drew on Ilman's. Oh
Ilman,
no.
are you there? Sahana, are you able to annotate? Hajita also. Or are
5.
you using the typing function?
Teacher.
Okay, okay.
12, 6, 36. 36 over... Shite. Over 5.
Famida and Sachin, later you tell me which one is correct and which one is wrong, okay? So I will give you questions. For example, Famida, you will check this. Okay, Sachin, Famida, Sachin, you'll check, and then Famida and Sachin. So you guys will check whatever they have written and tell me whether it is right or wrong. Durgesh, are you done with your answer?
I'm almost done.
Okay, you leave it as that. Leave it as an improper fraction. Enough. Okay, no need to convert to mixed number.
But I just did that.
Again? Okay, Hajita, I think still doing. Sahana, still doing. I know it's a bit difficult to annotate lah. I said no need to change.
No, to
Durgesh.
change.
No need
Okay,
to
I'm done.
change.
5. Why is it so hard
Okay.
to write 5? Okay, done.
Done. That's your answer.
Yes.
And what is this line here? Isn't it supposed to be just equals? Okay, all right. I've erased it for you already. Okay. Hey, where's Prishman?
Bro left the
Prishman
server.
is not here.
Teacher, what is the FS at this side?
Wait. Where?
On
Oh,
the
Famida
left.
Sachin will check.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Okay, let's start. Famida, can you tell me whether Durgesh answer is correct or wrong?
Wait, I'm doing it on my paper.
Oh, you're doing it on your paper. Okay. Sachin, can you tell me whether Gideon's answer is correct or wrong?
7.
Still doing. Okay, Hajita. Oh, Hajita is trying to annotate. Never mind, Hajita. We just do here also enough. Okay? Okay. I know it's difficult and you want to type out perfectly like that. So good. Okay, let's see Ilman's answer. Done. Sahana is done. Okay. All right, I'll start checking then. Okay, let Sachin and Famida do. Let's start with Aloysius' answer. Conversion, correct. Conversion, correct. So first thing I check is the conversion. Then he has done a simplifying. So divide by 3, then up times up 21 over 8, and then that also has been further simplified to a mixed number. So good job. Okay. All right. Okay, enough, Aloysius. So many ticks for all right. Okay, now Sahana's question. First check the conversion. So 18 plus 5 is 23. Over here, 2 over 5. There is literally nothing that can be simplified. So 46 over 45, and well done. 1 also changed to mixed number. So 1 1 over 45. Good job. Ilman, 7 over 6 times with 7 over 4. Good job. Converting correctly. There is nothing to simplify here. So 7 times 7, 49 over 24. And then, good job. Simplified. Well done. Okay, Hajista is still doing. Gideon, let me see yours. 12, 13 over 2. Convert. 10 over 3, convert, simplify 10 and 2. So this is 5, this is 1. 13 times 5, 65. 1 times 3, 3. So 21, 2 over 3. Very good. Well done. Okay. And let's look at Durgesh. Durgesh, this will be 15 plus 2, 17.
Yes.
This is 17.
Yeah.
17 times 3, I think you wrote 17 here, but you did a
I thought it was
miscalculation.
12.
You thought you wrote, darling. Okay, so you wrote and you didn't understand your own handwriting. Okay, not? Look, he wrote 17 or 2, he himself doesn't know.
Looks like
That's
a 2.
why you need to be a bit clear, because you see this line. The minute you put that line so close, this 17 looks like a 2. See, even when you annotate online also, you must be clear. Okay, 17 times 3, it's what should be your answer here. Never mind, Durgesh, this is a careless mistake. Okay, what is 17 times 3, Durgesh? What is 17 times 3?
51.
Huh? 17 times 3.
51.
I heard the 1 only lah. 51. Okay, good. And when you change it to an improper, from an improper fraction to a mixed number?
50, 10.
Okay. 10. And then?
1 over 5.
1 over 5. Good job. Okay, so I think you can do. Hajita, let's look at yours. This would be 10. Okay, 2. Hajita, wait. What happened? Okay. All right. Okay, I'm checking now, Hajita. Okay, 5 times 2, it's 10. 10 plus 4, Hajita, it's 14 here. 14 over 5. The 5 doesn't change, Hajita. At the bottom, it's 5, isn't it? Over here, 3 times 2, 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. Where did you get your 4 from? And this is also over 2. So, do you see, Hajita? It's 14 over 5 times with 7 over 2. At this point, you can simplify the 14 and the 2, so that gives you this. 7 times 7 will give you 49. Okay? And then 5 times 1, it's 5. So this is what you'll need to simplify, 49 over 5. That's like 9, 4 over 5. So Hajita will need to revisit this. Okay, not? You'll need to maybe...
Teacher, I don't understand the question.
Okay, last week you were not able to come, am I right?
Yeah,
Did you watch the recording? Were you able to watch it?
I just watched fraction part A, half of it, before the class, but
Okay.
I didn't watch this part of fraction part.
Never mind, no worries. It's okay, Ma. You, after class today, anytime you are free, you complete watching the whole recording first. Okay? All right? You
Okay.
complete watching it first, and then if you still don't understand, then you let me know. Okay? All right, you should be able to do it. Okay, just to help Hajita. Okay, guys, a quick recap. When you want to multiply fractions, this is for all of you also. Since this is a mixed number, we have to step 1, change it to an improper fraction. Now, changing mixed number to improper fraction, okay, it's like this. Okay, for example, 2 over 5. Okay, this is our mixed number. All we need to do, there's 2 ways of doing this, okay? If you understand fraction, this is actually 5 over 5 plus 5 over 5 plus 2 over 5. Do you understand this? Where did I get the 5 over 5? This is coming from the 2. 2 is whole. So it's 1 plus 1. That one is 5 over 5. The other one is 5 over 5. So altogether, it is 12 over 5. Now, there is a shortcut method. That's what they all have been doing, which is multiply at the bottom and plus on top. But guys, I remind you, you must know what you are doing. You must know that this is the truth. Okay, not? This is the quick way of doing things. So 5 times 2, 10, 10 plus 2, 12. That's where they get the 12 over 5. This is conversion of mixed number to improper fraction. This is the traditional way, the old way, the original way, the understanding way is here. And this is the fast and quick way. You know this, then you do this. Can I have a thumbs up if you're all following me and understanding what's happening? Okay? All right. Hajita, so far, so good? Okay? So you must change both these mixed numbers to become improper fraction. And then only, so this will become 12 over 5 times with 3 times 2, it's 6 plus 1, it's 7 over 5. Sorry, 7 over 2. And at this point, you see, you look out, you ask yourself, is there any number that I can simplify which is in the same times table? Apparently, we have 12 and 2. So 2 divided by 2 becomes 1, 12 divided by 2 becomes 6. If you don't want to do this, also can. Then you take 12 times 7, up times up, which is like 72, divided by 5 times 2. 12 times 7 is not 72. It's 84. I thought it was 6. 10 times 7 is 70, plus 14 is 84 over 10. Then you simplify 84 over 10. But here, if I simplified earlier, then I'm only going to do 6 times 7. You see, it makes our life easier. What is 6 times 7? It is 42 over 5. And that's it. Done. Change this back to an
Sorry,
do wrong?
teacher, after we finish this question, can we try question 9, teacher?
Okay, sure. All right, so this one is simplified and you get your mixed number. Okay, let's go to question 9. There is a request. Durgesh's answer is wrong. It's supposed to be yes. Yes, I think we have already corrected Durgesh's answer. Thanks, Famida. Okay, now there is a question at question 9. So let's see. All of you, if you're having your module, do question 9. So we have 4 over 7. I'm doing it here, so you also follow me and do together. Times with a mixed number. So change the mixed number. 4 times 6 plus 1. 4. So 6, 12, 18, 24. 24 plus 1 is 25 over 6. Okay, Sahana?
Okay.
Following?
Yes.
So now, 4 and 6 can be simplified because they are in the same times table of 2. 4 divided by 2 will be 2. 6 divided by 2 will be 3.
3.
So your answer is going to be 2 times 25, which is 50 over 7 times 3, which is 21. Of course, then guys, if you really don't know how this is to be changed back, then all you need to do, remember fraction is a division. Take 50 and divide by 21. So do times table 21. 21, 42. That's it. 2 times only. Because you only have 50 words. So this will become 42. Subtract and you'll have remainder of 8. So how many times you managed to divide? That was a big 2. What is your remainder? 8. What was your dividend or divisor? Sorry, your 21. So this is your mixed number. Literally, this means you have 21 over 21 plus 21 over 21 plus 8 over 21. So if you take 21 plus 21, you get 42. 42 plus 8, you'll get your 50 over 21. Do you understand? Can I have a thumbs up? Were you paying attention? Were you listening?
Yes.
Okay. Can I have a thumbs up? If you're good at this, you can understand this well. Important, super important for under 5. Okay, good job. Because now we can almost like finish fractions. Okay, so Sahana, okay, answered.
Yes, teacher.
Okay.
Thank you.
Now, guys, we are going to move on. Okay, we are going to take fractions and multiply it with a quantity. This is the second, actually, that was our revision from last week. Today's lesson literally starts here. Okay, today we are going to look at how fraction multiplies with a quantity. For example, let me give you a real example. Okay, Mr. Aloysius bought 36 durians.
Huh?
Okay.
Oh, me. Okay.
Aloysius bought 36 durians and
I hate
he
durians.
he divided it
Me
into
too.
9, or he shared it equally with 9 friends. Okay.
I'm
So
stingy.
there are 9 students here, including me. Okay, there are 9 of us. So Aloysius bought 36 durians and he decided to share with all of us. How many durians will we each get?
4.
Each means 1 over 9. Correct. How did you get that 4, Aloysius?
9 divide.
Just took 36 and
36
divided it
divided by
with
4. 9, sorry.
no, 9. Then only you got your 4. Correct or not? So guys, look at this question here. Number 1. The question is, what is 1/9 of 36? Can you see? Same story. That means the of is actually multiplied. So you just change it to multiplication and put there 36. Up times up over down times down. Isn't it the same as 36 divided by 9? And your answer is 4. That means every one of us will get 4 durians. I want you to put the number 4 in each of these squares so that you really understand how many we are getting. So 1 over 9 of 36, it means 36 divided by 9, and the answer is 4. Got it? Now, my Boganza question. Boganza pula, Bonanza question. Okay. Durgesh, if you and me both got 1 over 9 and 1 over 9, altogether, both of us have how many over 9?
2.
2 over 9, correct?
Yes.
So how many durians would that be?
Wait, mixed number.
No, 2 over 9 is the fraction. Remember, guys, look carefully. I want you to write now, okay? Take your pencil and write. The top part here represents fractions. Okay? The bottom part here represents quantity, the real number. It represents the real quantity, like durians, 4 durians. So me and Durgesh, this is me, this is Durgesh. We have 2 over 9. Because I'm 1 over 9, he's another 1 over 9. So we have 2 over 9 parts as fractions. What is our quantity of durians? Yes,
8.
that's right, 8. Got it? Let's say we join force. This is Sachin's durians. We said, hey, let's all put our durians
3 over
together, 3
9.
over 9. What is the quantity?
12.
12
27.
durians.
12.
Where got 27? 12.
12.
12. 4 plus 4 plus 4. Oh my goodness. So you see what I'm doing? I'm now putting in more parts and the quantity is changing. Correct or not? It's just adding on. Now, a lot of you get confused here. You don't know to differentiate between fractions and quantity. Now, let's say I change this to money, 36 ringgit. So, one person gets how many ringgit? No more durians, huh? Now it's 4 ringgit. So me and Durgesh will get 8 ringgit. Me, Durgesh and Sachin will get 12 ringgit. Do you understand? This story can change. It can be 36 what? Sweets, 36 balloons, 36 cars. But the fraction here apparently given 1/9. So all you need to do is take 36 divided by 9. Again, you see the bar. Can you see the whole bar here? Can you literally see the bar, guys? The bar here. 36 divide into 9 parts. Every part is 4. Got it? 36 divide into 9 parts. And every part is equivalent to 4. One is called the, remember this, fractions and the quantity are two different things. Okay? Fractions literally remain the same. Quantity will follow the fraction. Okay? But durians can change to money. Durians can change to rambutan. It can be anything. Of course, in this question, they didn't give us anything. We made up the story of durians and etc. Got it? Clear. Let's do another example. Question 2. Again now, find 1/7. Okay, 1/7 of 21. Literally times 21. So what you're going to do? You're going to take the whole bar. This is 21. Divide it into 7 parts. So 1/7. Put in chat, please. How much is each part worth? All of you? 1/7. Hajita, how much is this? What should I write here?
Is it 21 divided by 7?
Yes, correct.
Hmm.
It's 21 divided by 7. Yes, and the answer is
3.
3. Very good. So every part here is 3. So 2/7, it will be 6. 3/7 will be 9. Can you see that? 1/7, if I added 1/7 and 1/7, it will be just like adding 3 and plus 3. Again, this is the, I want you to write at the side, this is the fractions and this is the quantity, the real quantity. It can be anything. The number at the bottom, the 3 is the quantity. So all of you write your 3 here. Okay, 1/7 over 21, 1/7 of 21. Okay, so fill in the blanks here. 1/7 of 21 is 21 divided by 7, which is equivalent to 3. Got it? Of course, you change it to a multiplication like this. And then isn't 1/7 times 21/1 is the same as 21 divided by 7. Isn't it the same? So straight away you can do 21 divided by 7. So if you're understanding this process, then the next question should be really pretty easy. It is straight away take 36, divide into how many parts here? 6 parts. Do you see that? And each part will be, Sachin, can you answer? 36 divide into 6 parts. Hmm?
6.
6. Okay, so every part is 6. All of you in your module, put down 6, 6, 6, 6, and 6, so on. Got it? So again, you need to remember the top part is the fraction
The below
and
is
the
the
bottom part
quantity.
is the quantity. Okay? Try understanding this because if not you get confused of which is the fraction, which is the quantity. Okay? Remember that. Okay, clear. Now I'm going to move on to the next module or next page, sorry, where we are going to do more questions. This time, no pictures to help us. Here, we had pictures, we had diagrams. Here, No more diagrams. So it's all going to be happening in our mind. I'm going to do a few questions, then I'm going to ask you to annotate on the screen. So number 1, 1 over 3 of 21 means 21 divided by 3, 7. Number 2, 1 over 4 of 20 means 20 divided by 4, which is 5. 1 over 6 of 12 means 12 divided by 6, which is 2. Are you following me? Do you understand what's happening? Can? Okay, now no more diagrams. Straight away, answer. Okay, now I'm going to assign some questions to all of you. Let's see the bottom part here. Okay, we have, how many of y'all? 8 of y'all here. Okay, Aloysius, number 9. Famida, if you cannot, you put in chat. Okay. Durgesh, number 11. Famida, number 13. Put in chat, Famida. And then Gideon, number 15. Okay. Hajita, number 10. Ilman, number 12. Sachin, number 14. And Sahana, I put SH, Sahana, number 16. Okay. Try. Durgesh, annotate only on your section.
Teacher, I'm
Okay.
done already.
Yes, thank you.
No, bagus.
Very good, Ilman. Very good. Okay. Aloysius, correct. Okay. Simple. At this point, it's still very easy. What are you doing, Gideon? Oh, so big. Oh my gosh.
Yes, teacher, this thing is going so big.
Yeah. All right. You want to tell me? I can type out for you if not.
Teacher, it's 56. Oh,
56 divide by
8,
8. And what's your answer?
7.
7. Good job. Okay, it's 70 divide. Sahana, it's 70 divided by 7. Darling, 7 divided by 70 is going to give you 1 over 10. Can you see that? It's the total. It's the total that has to be divided by. Remember, 1 over 7 times 70. Literally, it's 70 divided by 7. Got it? Okay, Hajita, let's see. 36 divided by 6. Good job. It's 6. Turkish, I cannot understand the handwriting, but I believe you can tell me what it is. Can you tell me what number is this that you wrote? Durgesh.
Done.
Durgesh? Done. Okay, Sachin. 32 divided by 4, 8.
5.
45. 45 divided by 5, which is 9. Correct. Sahana, yes, yours is now correct. Sachin, correct. Ilman, correct. Hajita, correct. Gideon, correct. Hamida's answer must be in the chat. Let me see. Hamida? Okay, girl. Or you can tell me, Famida. I'll just type it out for you. Are you there? Where's our girl? Oh, okay. All right. It's pretty easy. It's like really fast. It's just you take 36 and divide by 9. Are you following, Famida? You don't have to do all, you just do one here. Okay, 36 divided by 9. And what's your answer for that? 4. That's it. Of course, boys and girls, you must complete the whole module. Okay? All right? It's only with practice that you become perfect. Okay. Now, we have done all these 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, the second part here allows you a bit of a leeway. So what you could do is, because they are really huge numbers, you could use a calculator. This is your own self doing it. Okay, not? So when you're having this module, yes, eventually one day in the future, you're all going to use calculators. So go ahead. So this is going to be 64 divided by 4. Do you understand? This This will be 279 divide by 9. It's because you are only finding 1 over 9. Remember the diagram, the bar? So the total is 279. Now what I want you to imagine in your mind is, think about durians. Or if you don't like durians, think about rambutans. Think about any fruit you want. There are 64 rambutans divided into 4 people. One person will get how much? There are 279 durians divided into 9 people. One person will get how much? There are 416 rambutans divided into 8 people. One person will get how much? Think of these numbers as fruits. Can you understand now? So that makes more sense. Use your calculator to answer. But if you want to just still use your mind and answer, your pencil, no problem. Go ahead. Okay? Let's clear and let's move on. Okay, number 25. Let's do number 25. Just for one question. All of us discuss number 25 before we move on. Can I have Ilman read this question? There are
144 salamanders swimming in a pond. A loud noise scare a third of them away. How many get scared away? How many are left?
So, let's say the pond there are 144. Instead of drawing a pond, I draw a bar and I write 144. Got it? 1/3, a third. A third means 1 over 3. Literally, I must divide my salamanders into 3 parts. So all of you do some maths and tell me what is 1/3. The fraction here is 1/3. How many salamanders? Can I have, say, Gideon has answered before. Who has not answered yet? Sahana?
Yeah,
Okay.
yes,
What is 1/3 of 144? What do we do?
divide.
1/3
And also, yeah,
of 144. So what do we do? Take
multiply.
144. No. Yeah, multiply by 144. So it's 144 divide by?
Divide by 3.
Yes. And what would that be? Maybe someone can help. See, 14 divided by 3, it's going to get 12. You're going to get a remainder of 2, right? So here is going to be 12 divided by 3, it's 4. And then 24 divided by 3, it's how much?
21.
Huh? You do the long division if you don't know. 144 divided by 3.
147.
48.
Yes, this is 12. And then there's 24 here. 24 divided by 3 is how much? It's 8.
48. Yeah.
8. So this is 48. Which means, girls and guys, 48 salamanders got scared and left. Do you understand? How many get scared away? 48 salamanders got scared away. Question is, how many are left in the pond? So which means question is asking this part. These 2/3 didn't get scared away. So how much is this? All of you put in chat. How many salamanders are still left in the pool? How do we get that? You see, the total is 144. 48 got scared. So the number, the quantity is 48. Fraction is 1/3.
So is it 98?
Okay. How did you get 98?
I minus 144 and
So
48.
you took 144 and minus with
48.
48. You
Yes,
sure you get 98? Here you borrow, right?
Yeah.
14 minus 8 is how much?
I think 6.
6.
It's 6 because
13 minus 4, 96.
13 minus 4, 96.
Yes. Thank you, Ilman. So it's 96. Actually, This is another 48. Correct or not? And this is another 48. So 48 plus 48 will also give you 96. Do you understand now? See, fraction is happening only here. Only this part is the fraction, 1/3. This is 2/3. This is the quantity. 48 salamanders left is the quantity. 96 salamanders still in the pool is the quantity. What I want you to understand is this part. This is called the fractions. This is the quantity. Do you understand? Okay? You're going to get questions like this, guys. If you can do this, then you are good. You really understand your fractions. Okay? Clear? Let's move on. Actually, after this, it's all word problems. So we literally actually have completed our fractions. After this, we only look at word problems. Okay, ready? Okay, so now let's do question number. Guys, are you ready? Okay, not? So multiplication of fractions done, and then we have done the fractions of a quantity. Okay? Now, let's read. Number 1. This is fractions part C. It is continuing from the part B. Page 7. Okay? So, let's see some simple questions. Follow me. On your module, please do exactly like what I'm showing you. Okay? We do the Singapore bar method. There are 20. Can I have somebody read? Okay. Famida, read the question. There are
Total of 20 clownfish and angelfish in a tank.
very soft, Ma, your voice. Can you read a bit louder?
There are total of 20 clownfish and angelfish in a tank.
Okay.
3/4
3/4.
3/4 of the fish are angelfish.
Okay, I think I will read that again. Okay, read that again. So, guys, there are a total of 20 clownfish and angelfish in a tank. That means I draw a rectangle. I tell that the total fish inside the rectangle is how much? 20. That's total, okay? 3/4 of the fish are angelfish, which means I must divide my rectangle. Yeah, I can't hear. You guys can hear, the rest of you? Could you hear clearly? Or is it my volume?
Oh,
Yeah, I
no.
can hear you.
Couldn't, right? Yeah. Check. Maybe you check your iPad, okay? So never mind. You can hear me. Am I loud and clear?
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes. So now, how many parts do you think we must divide our fraction into? Can I have Gideon answer that? How many parts must I divide this bar into?
4.
4. Very good. Why 4?
Because there is 3/4.
Yes, because it was divided into the fraction given is 3/4, which means fraction is a division, 3 divided by 4. So I shade 3/4, which is this, correct? Never mind if my fraction is not so equal. Now, tell me what is the 3/4 representing? What fish are they?
Angelfish.
Angel fish, correct? Not? So this is the angel fish. So 3/4 is up to here, correct? Question is asking now, how many types of each fish are there? They want to know how many angel fish are there, how many clownfish are there. So angel fish is 3/4, clownfish must be 1/4. Got it? That is the fraction. That is the fraction. We know the fraction now. Angel fish is 3/4, clownfish is 1/4. Well, balance got only 1/4. So now, how do I find the quantity? Durgesh, answer me. How many angel fish are there, Durgesh? Durgesh? Where this boy went? Okay, never mind. Let's ask Sahana. Can you answer? There are 20 fishes in the tank. I divided into 4 parts. One part is how much?
5.
5. Good job. So one part is 5. Oh my God, my handwriting is bad now. So you tell me, angel fish is how many? How many fishes are there, Sahana?
15 angel fishes altogether.
Yes, there are 15 angel fish and how many clownfish?
1/4.
Okay, that's fraction. I want
Five.
quantity.
5. 5.
5. Do you see that? So
Yes.
be careful on what you are answering. There's two things here, two elements. Either it's the fraction or the quantity. Remember what I was telling you earlier?
Yeah.
Okay, it's like two variables. One is the fraction and one is the quantity. Be sure what you are looking for. When you draw these diagrams, they are representing both fractions and quantity. This is quantity, 20 is quantity. 3/4 is fraction, 1/4 is fraction. That 20 divide into 4 parts, every part gets 5. That's called the quantity. And
Okay.
3/4 means 3 times 5. 5, 5, 5. That's how I get 15. Simple. These are simple questions. Okay? Have you drawn? Please, you must draw. Okay, on your side.
Done, teacher.
Do it at the back of your module where there's ample space. Can I clear this off? Are you guys good? Okay, thumbs up if you have finished this question, drawing this question, or drawing the solution out. So Ilman has done. So I'll wait for all of you. Sahana has done. Once you're done, okay, Hajita done. I think the rest are still doing. Give them a minute, okay? Done. Okay, Famida done. 4 done. Durgesh, tell me when you're done. Gideon done. 5 done. Who else is done? Hajita done. 6 done. I think Hajita was done earlier, right?
No, it's now.
Aloysius done. Durgesh and Sachin, both of you, have you done? Are you done copying this out, this diagram, Durgesh?
I don't have the module. Ask my mom to go print.
Ayyo, kadavuli. They get the module
But-
printed. Like
But
this
I
was busy
screenshot.
last week. Okay. No, you can do it on any piece of paper, for that matter of fact. Okay, try to have your modules with you. Okay, before class.
Wait,
I
how
mean,
to
you know,
screenshot? I forgot.
in most
Alt
cases.
LT.
Okay. All right. Or when you get your module, you'll have to watch the video and do it back again. Okay, Durgesh? There's a lot of work. Instead of doing it now once and be done, you have got to do it twice. And you will learn better, lah, I suppose. Okay. Now, Durgesh, read number 2. Newton swims.
Newton swims a total of 24 lengths. He swims a third of the length on his front of and the rest on his back. How many lengths does he swim on the front?
Now, on the front means he's swimming like front lah, like how you all go in swimming. You go swimming at the back means you reverse yourself and you swim. You remember? Okay, how you guys swim? I don't know whether you guys swim like that or not. But anyway, Newton is a newt. Okay, so he swims. He swims a total of 24 lengths. That means it doesn't matter. It can be meter, it can be centimeter, whatever. Okay, just length is the unit here. So what do? We draw. We know the total. So we draw an arrow to show the total. Total is called the quantity. So Durgesh, what do I write on top here? You're going to help me with this question, Durgesh. What do I write on top here? Hello, boy. Where are you? Disappeared. 24. Okay, Aloysius, can you help me?
Yeah.
Okay, so now read this and tell me how many parts do I need to divide our bar into?
3.
3. Very good. A third. Okay, so 3 parts and then a third on his front. That means I'll just put there F, front. This is 1/3. Okay, and then the back, this is the back and this is the back, totals how many thirds? The
3.
back will be how many
2.
thirds? 2/3, not 2, it's 2/3. Okay, this is fraction, not quantity yet. So now we need to find how many lengths does he swim on his front, only this part, which is 1/3 of 24. Can you tell me what's the answer, Aloysius?
He swims, wait, 24 divided by 3. 8.
8.
8, very good. 24 divided by 3, 8 lengths on his front. Would you mind telling what's the length that he swam on his back as well?
16.
So how much is this? 16, very good. 16 lengths on his back. Durgesh, are you there? Durgesh, are you there? Where's this boy? Maybe he's going to find the module. Okay, never mind. Guys, copy this. Okay, copy this on your module now. When you're done, let me know you're done. Okay? You see, you do a few questions like that. Eventually, it will go into your mind. Done. Done. Yes, Hajita, you can do. We can try the next question with you. Okay? Very good. Volunteer yourself, rather than me calling. Okay. So, Hajita, since the question is visible, let's do question number 3 while the rest of them are copying question number 2. Pay attention as well, multitask. Hajita, read the question. There are
60 people on a train. A fifth of the people get off at the next stop. How many get off the train?
Okay. So now the first step into doing this is to draw. Okay, we draw our rectangle. Okay, Hajita. How many people in total, Hajita, on the train?
60.
So we write our 60 as up here at the top, from the left to the right. Okay? All right. Now, Hajita, our bar, how many parts should we divide it into?
5.
How many?
5.
Very good. 5, because of the word fifth. Okay, 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5, and 5/5. You see the word fifth, guys?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So 1/5 of the people, a fifth means 1/5 of the people get off at the next stop. So Hajita, how many people get off at the next stop? We are only going to find this, right? How many people got
Yes.
off? So how do we do that? Remember, this is very similar to those earlier durian rambutan questions that we got. It's the bar. You're going to find 1/5. So what do we do?
Divide.
No, first it's divide, correct. 1/5 of 60. Okay, it's actually a multiplication. But in order to do this, up times up over down times down, this will end you up with 60 divided by 5. Do you see that?
Yeah.
And how much is that, Hajita?
It's
60 divided by 5. Huh?
60 divided by 5 is 12.
12. Very good. So 12 people get off the train. This is the quantity of 12. Do you understand?
Yeah.
So my bonus question is, how many people are still in the train? 1/5 got off means there are still people in the train. 4/5 are still in the train.
Yeah.
By the way, all of you, the calculation for this question for number 3 is up here. Okay. Yes, that's right, Ilman. 48 people. How did you get? Take 60 minus with the 12
12.
people that got off. And you will have 48. Every section, every bar here, it's 12. 12. Remember just now you did the one, you remember you did page what? Let me go scroll up. You wrote down, isn't it, for every part? Same thing. It's nothing different. It's the same thing. It's 12, 12, 12, 12, 12. Every part is 12. So 1 over 5th is 12. 4 over 5th, it's 48. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Everything can be represented as a picture. So two things here. One is fraction, one is quantity. The 12 is the quantity. The 48 people still in the train is the quantity. The fraction for the 48 people is 4 over 5. The fraction for the people who got off the train is 1 over 5. Are you following?
Teacher, I cannot see what you drew down there, teacher, for 3.
Oh, okay. Hold on. You cannot see here.
Yeah, teacher, I can only see the box, but I cannot see what you wrote under the box and stuff.
I wrote 12, 12, 12, 12, 12.
Oh, okay.
Okay, can you just write that on your own? I wrote that 12, 12, 12, 12, 12. That's all. Okay?
Okay, teacher, thank
Every
you.
part. It was just like this question earlier where you wrote in every box. Remember, you wrote this. You can see this. It's the
Yeah.
same thing. Just the same thing.
Oh.
It's 1 over 4 now. And so everything is 12, 12, 12, 12. That's it. The same thing that you did is now back. But I'm still using the drawing method. Got it? So that you understand. Let's clear this now. Let's look at question number 4, 5, and 6. Okay? All right. Who wants to try? Who wants to try number 4? Volunteer yourself. Hajita, you just did. Let's give another person. Who?
Can I read?
Gideon, is it? Gideon. Okay, Gideon, read.
Captain has some gold and silver coins. He has 42 coins in all. 1/6 of his coins are gold and the rest are silver. How many of each sort of coin does he have?
So, what shall we do first?
So,
Draw.
put an arrow and put up 42 coins.
Okay, put an arrow at the top there and right there all together. This captain has
42 coins.
42 coins. My mouse sometimes is so crazy. Okay, 42 coins. Okay, now, Gideon, how are we going to divide this bar into how many parts?
6.
Very good, 6 parts. So divide into half and then divide the half into another 3 parts. So you will get 6 parts. Please do it on your side. Okay, draw. Copycat lah at this point. Okay. Class ends in another 10 minutes, guys. Okay. All right. So we'll do this 5 and 6 question. Then we call it end. Okay. So now, Gideon, gold coins is how much? What's the fraction for gold coins?
1/6.
So this is 1/6. Can you see, guys? This is 1/6. And this is our gold coin. Durgesh, are you here?
Yeah.
What happened to Durgesh? Yes, are you here?
Yes.
Okay, tell me then, how many gold coins does this captain have?
1/6.
That is fraction. I want
Oh,
in
42.
quantity now. Huh?
42. I mean 6.
How did you get 6?
Because 6 is the quantity.
Wrong. You're answering it wrongly now. I've been telling 1/6. There's no 6 here, boy. Where do you find 6? There's only 2 numbers here in this question. There's 42 and there is 1/6. 1/6 is not 6. 1/6 is a fraction. My question is, how many gold coins are there? Have you been paying attention?
Yes.
Teacher, is it 7?
Yes. How did you get 7?
I divide 42 and 6.
Yes, take 42 and divide by 6. That's it. And you get 7. It's actually 1/6 times with 42. Durgesh, we have been doing this so many times already now. So it's 42 divided by 6 and that gives you 7 gold coins. Now you answer me the second part. Durgesh, how many silver coins are there now?
6.
Huh?
36.
Again?
36.
Louder?
36.
36. How did you get 36? How did you get 36? You said 36. Okay, tell me how. What was your maths? Don't simply put numbers that you like. How did you get 36?
I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know.
Take
Then what are
42
you?
minus 6.
No. 42 minus?
7.
There is no 6 here, you know. There's
Teacher,
only
the answer
1/6.
is 36. The answer is 36.
How did you get 36?
Minus 42 and 7.
42 minus 7. Does that give you 36?
I get 35.
Yeah. You get 35 gold coins. Oh, sorry, silver coins. Durgesh, pay attention now and answer me this question. What is the fraction here? If this is gold coins, this is gold, this is silver, 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 silver. What's the fraction here now? Answer me, Durgesh. What's the fraction here? Fraction. You hearing me or not?
5.
5 over what? Don't simply say. When I say fraction, I want an answer. Over what?
5/7.
Where got 7? Where suddenly the 7 came from? Can you see this fraction here?
Yes.
Ini baru kena marah already. Where got 7 parts here? How many parts is this?
5.
5 over how many parts altogether?
5/5.
Oh my God. You need to go to standard 3 now, huh? Huh? This is a simple picture of a fraction. This is 1/6 and you don't know what is this, the rest of it.
5/1.
Durgesh, I'm going to talk to you after this. You stay back in the class. You don't leave the class. This is 5/6. This is where I say your basics are all gone. Eh? If you don't know this simple thing, that means you got to go do standard 3 maths. 1/6 is here. 5/6 is here. What else you don't know? And you're doing multiplication and next year division of fractions. And one simple thing here, this is, you can see 1/6 is you're not paying attention. That's the problem. Think you're doing something else. Turn on your video now. Durgesh, after this, henceforth, during the class, you're going to turn on the video 24/7. Okay? All the time, I want to see you in front. Got it, Durgesh?
Yes.
This is 5/6. I'm going to talk to you about this. All right, let's move on. We got 2 more questions. See, I've done so many questions, you know, and you still tell me you don't know how to do. That means your basics are gone. No good. Okay, Durgesh, read the next question. Sally and Newton.
Sally and Newton go fishing and catch 36 fish. Sally catches 3/4 of the fish. How many does Newton catch?
So, I draw my bar first. Okay? You know what you're going to do, Durgesh? You are going to WhatsApp to me all these answers drawn out on your module or in another page, whatever. I want to see it all drawn out.
But I
So,
don't have the
what is
paper.
my thought? No, you get the paper. After this, Saturday, Sunday, I don't care. You get the paper and you do it. Do you understand?
Yes.
Or you take a blank piece of paper, you watch my recording again and you write it out. All the solution. Now tell me, what's the total number of fish here?
36.
36. And what is the fraction here we are talking about?
3/4.
Which means I must divide my bar into how many parts?
4.
4. Not 4. You must be sure. 4 parts. Okay? How many types of fish are there? Oh, two people went fishing. So one is Sally, one is Newton. Okay? Sally caught how many fish? How much fish? What is the fraction of Sally?
30.
No. What is the fraction of Sally? Read this. Sally catches.
3/4.
So where is 3/4?
The first bar.
And then the
I
second
mean
bar
the,
and
the third bar.
the third bar. This is 3/4. So 3/4 is Sally. Do you understand?
Yes.
Sally. So this is how much? This is who? Who caught this? This part was caught by who?
Newton.
Newton. Yeah, Newton. Okay, Newton caught how many? What's the fraction for
9.
Newton?
9/4.
Where got 9/4? Excuse me, what is the fraction here? Fraction. If this is 3/4, this is how many over 4?
1.
1/4.
4.
Yes, be clear about fraction and quantity. I've been telling you from day one. Okay, this is fraction. 3/4 for Sally. This is fraction. 1/4 for Newton. So what do I do if I want to find Newton? How many fish Newton caught? What do I do?
Up times up. Down times down.
You don't give me the formula straight. Tell me what is it? What times what?
3 times 1 and 4 times 4. 3 times 4.
No, Durgesh, you still don't understand it.
Wait.
Okay? All right. Thank you, Hajita. 1/4 of the fish is what Newton caught.
Fish.
So 1/4 of means times the total number of fish there, which is 36. Now only the question becomes 36 divided by
4.
4. And that's how much? What is 36 divided by 4? What is 36 divided by 4?
24.
You got to be faster. Huh? It's 9.
That's 9.
Okay? What's wrong with the times table now? Okay, at this point, I cannot be waiting for 5 seconds to get your answer for 36 divided by 4, boy. Okay? You are not in a remedial class here. Okay, not?
Yes.
Remedial class, if I want to teach standard 1, 2, 3, I will wait for 5 minutes for them to answer this. I can't wait at standard 5 for you to answer this. What is 36 divided by 4? Do you get me, Durgesh?
Yes.
Okay, buck up, speed up. All right? Now, 9 fish is what Newton caught. So every part here is 9. You tell me, all of you tell me now, how many fish did Sally catch?
27.
Very good. Now you escape. 27. 9 plus 9 plus 9. Make sure this drawing is there on your module. Okay? Now the last part, number 6, I'm going to ask you all to do it. And everybody, once you do number 6, just take that answer, snapshot it and put it in the group. Okay, you are going to do number 6 all on your own. I want to see the diagram. I want to see the fractions. I want to see the answers. Okay, there are 2 quantities here, adults and pufflings. Do it, take a snapshot and put it in the group. Let's all see everybody's answer. You can private message to me also if you want. Okay? Maybe private message is better because then other people cannot copy your answer. All right. So clear this and I want you to do number 6. Take it and show it, snapshot and show it to me. Okay? Durgesh, are you listening?
I'm doing it now.
Okay, good. And then guys, we have fractions part C, got some more word problems, which we will do in our next lesson. Get ready for this. Okay or not? Faham? And
Teacher.
please, your
Wait,
times table all.
teacher. Can you go
What?
up to the last question there?
Yeah, why?
Teacher, tomorrow I have an exam at school.
You have an exam in school.
Yeah, on Tuesday.
I'm only asking you to do one question only. Okay, Sahana.
Yeah,
I'm not
teacher.
asking you to do.
Yeah, no, I'm just telling you, teacher. I'm just telling you.
Oh, okay. What
Oh.
exam do you have on Sunday?
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, teacher, is actually our latihan pengesanan, and we have it like as just a normal test.
Sunday, Which state are you from? Isn't it JB?
Yeah, JB.
JB, you all are supposed to come to school on Sunday,
Yeah,
Wow.
convent. I'm in convent.
But JB follows Monday to Friday, right? Holiday system. Anyway, I'm ending the recording now.